So his name is David. He's been with the company for 6 months now. He's been absolutely brilliant. He's been fundamental for our processes that we've got on site for stock check-in. He can do 2,000 locations in the space of 5 hours, which is absolutely great for our contractual obligations. And yeah, he's an absolute asset to the team. So the unit itself is a robot-based solution with a drone on top. Basically, it will just drive to whatever location we set it to do, and it will take a picture of the pallet in situ. It will scan the pallet label that we have, and then that will report back to our warehouse management system to confirm if the stock is correctly into its right location. There's always that element of risk, especially working at height, so we just wanted to completely negate that. And with the actual solution, it does exactly that. So we no longer count from height for our cycle counting. It's all being done by the unit. We predominantly use them during the weekend, night time, mainly because we like to run them when there's no activity in the warehouse. But he also does a night shift when we're all cozy up in bed. So when we schedule a stock take for the weekend, it is as simple as we just set the time, we set the date that we want it to run, we set the aisle that we want it to choose. If we've got any areas where we believe we're mislocated a pallet, we would schedule that aisle to look specifically for the tag that we want, and then off it goes. So the implementation was easy. Rawview came to site over the weekend. We did the mapping process together, understood what areas we needed the unit to actually fly in, which ones were forbidden for it to go in, which was an absolute easy setup, and it was all done over the weekend. So we've seen huge benefits with the system. So without it, we would have to revert back to counting at height. The manual counts would have to take place, which would eventually mean that the operation are not doing what they need to be doing, which we would see an impact from that. And yeah, he's an absolute asset to the team.